Hold on to your hats, folks. It's time for the wildest dance-off in the jungle. First up, we've got Gerald the giraffe. Watch him twist and twirl that long neck of his like he's the king of the dance floor. Looking good, Gerald. Now check out Marty the monkey. He's breakdancing with spins and flips that'll make you dizzy just watching. Who knew monkeys could move like that? Here comes Ellie the elephant, trying her trunk at ballet. With those huge feet, she's really stomping out some serious style. Go, Ellie, go! And last, but definitely not least, it's Polly the parrot. She's flapping her wings to the beat and grooving like there's no tomorrow. Polly, you're a natural. These animals are bringing the jungle to life with their hilarious dance moves. Who knew the wild could get this wacky? So the next time you need a good laugh, just remember, there's always a jungle dance party waiting to happen. Keep dancing, and we'll see you next time.